Hello and welcome to your practice today. This is a short sequence to open the upper back and the shoulder region. We'll begin in child's pose, so taking the knees slightly wider apart. Walk the hands forward and lower down the belly, the chest, the head to the mat. Allow the hips to drop down onto the heels and just watching the easy, natural breath. Reach the fingertips forward, look between the palms, and then bringing the hips forward all the way down to the floor. We'll keep the palms underneath the shoulders. Shoulders draw back, elbows hug in. Inhale, lift the head, activate the back muscles. And as you exhale, lower the head down. Inhale, lift up, use the strength in the spine. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift up. Not so much weight on the hands, strength coming from the spine. And as you exhale, press into child's pose. And now inhale into cobra. Exhale, child's pose. Coming on to all fours. Begin to make a figure 8 with the body, just shifting the weight forward and back from side to side. It's getting a little stretch in the wrists. And walk the hands forward. Move into puppy pose, allowing the hips to stay over the knees, letting the forehead come to the floor, or if you're very comfortable, you can bring the chin and the chest and let them rest on the mat. Here, think about releasing the spine, releasing the armpits down towards the floor, and gently pressing back up. Take the right hand behind the head. With an inhale, open up the elbow to the ceiling, and an exhale, elbow comes to the floor. Lifting the elbow and lowering. Lift the elbow, lower. Open, bring it back down. And then we take it on the other side. Right palm to the floor. Left elbow lifts up. And exhale, lowers. Inhale, lifts up. Exhale, feel the rotation in the thoracic spine. Allow the left shoulder to open, chest open, and release, palms back down to the floor. Take a breath in center, neutral spine. And now step the right foot back, lifting the right hand up, coming into a modified side plank. You can always tuck the left toes for a little more stability, and then lift the right leg up. Stay here, or maybe find the right ankle. Press the foot into the hand. Arch the spine. Keep the body stable. Release. Come back to center. Now we straighten out the left leg. Lift the left arm up. Maybe tuck the right toes. Maybe lift the left leg up. Stay here or bend the left knee and then reach back, hold on to the ankle and gently press the left foot away from the body. Arch the spine, let the left shoulder reach back and open the chest. And release the left foot back down. Return on to hands and knees. Tuck the toes, lift the hips up, and let's walk the knees out in downward facing dog. Gently pressing the heel to the floor, pressing the palms away from you, hips stay lifted, and return to center. Step the right foot forward in between the palms. Left hand stays on the floor, right hand lifts up, twist. Turn the palm to face the front and then draw the hand down, bicep by the ear. Right hand to the floor. Windmill the hands up, warrior 2. Straighten the right knee, lift the arms up. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, warrior two. Now come to side angle, right hand on the inside of the right foot. Left hand reaches up and over the head. Inhale, straighten the right leg and reach the right hand up and back for reverse triangle. Windmill the hands to the floor, step back plank. Exhale, lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, lifting up, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Reconnect into the hands, into the feet. And now step the left leg forward. We take the twist first. Right hand stays down, left hand lifts up. Windmill the hands up. Warrior two, right heel to the floor, and then with an inhale, straighten the left leg. Exhale, bend into the knee. Move with the breath, nice, easy, controlled movement. Coming into side angle. Left arm reaches down, right arm reaches up and over. Nice long line all along the right side of the body. Straighten up the left leg and reach back. Windmill the hands down to the floor, step back plank. We hold plank for a few breaths. Chaturanga, lower to the floor. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward facing dog. Step the left leg forward. You can, if you have a block, you can bring the block to the inside of the left foot. We'll come into triangle, arms out at shoulder level. Lower the left hand to the floor or to a block while the right hand reaches up toward the ceiling. And bringing the right hand down, square the hips to the front, straighten up the left leg, and we twist. Left arm lifts up. Stay here, or maybe take your left hand behind the back, finding the right waist, upper right thigh. And release. Stepping the right foot forward, come into chair pose. Let the spine stay neutral. And exhale, forward fold. Let the upper body hang, maybe taking a little weight from side to side. And we'll take triangle on the second side. Use a block if you're using one. Left leg steps back. Right leg straight. And right hand to the floor, to the block. Left hand reaches up and over the head. Palm facing the floor in front of you. And bring the left hand down. Twist. Right arm up. Maybe take the right hand behind the back, finding the left waist. Twist in deeper. And release. Hands to the floor. Step the left leg forward. Forward fold. We're going to lift up halfway, so either palms on the floor or on a block. Chest forward, hips back, look forward. And as you exhale, bend the elbows and fold, bringing the belly onto the thighs. Knees can bend. And wrap your arms around the calf muscles and gently bring the head closer to the knees. And release. Slowly roll your head all the way up. Shake the shoulders out. Thank you.